Yeah, nigga. Okay. Shout out to Menace. Shit, you know. Big sis. Okay. Okay. See, it's me against them all. It's odd to the death of me. I swear to go these streets, they won't get the best of me. I've seen peasants rise, the kings and they fall. I've seen people die, till so we lost a jaw. I look up in the sky, is this God's fault? Buddha, Zeus and all of them, what the fuck is wrong with them? Little kids get in, laid out in the streets. I know I'm not the only one, I see this gang beef. The police don't make anything better. They're just like gangsters, aiming for the cheddar. Gang of their own, funded by the government. Pulling him is out on the innocence irrelevant. People dying every other day in the hood, not just by guns, they starving like a food. They say go to school, but so much being away. It's like you got one juice hitting the block the only way, but I just blame it on the poverty. So much that taught to me that block be looking great when there's no food in your wall. To be the only thing you learn how to cook was crack. It ain't your fault, you was born in the trap. It ain't my fault that I had to grab the tool to fix all your little niggas shit that stayed in school. Only if you knew the shit that I've been through, the shit that I've seen, the shit that I lived through. So I hunt the cheese like a cat hunt a rat. The only way to live is put stacks on the racks. When walking through the grass, watching snakes on your back. It's my time, the king is back, nigga.